How to create a new account on Steam. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a new account on Steam. First, go to your web browser on your PC and search for Steam. Now click the first link from the search results. You can log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, click Sign Up by scrolling down. Next, provide the required information including your email address and country of residence. Then mark the tick in the verification box and hit the Continue button. To verify your email, you can reach your Gmail website. Once you are verified, enter your Steam account name, choose your password, and confirm your password. After that, you will hit the Done button to create a new account. In the end, you can save the changes on your browser. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.